Here we see our Siemens simulation wall NG. There we can accurately represent and simulate all our CNC machines that we offer and sell as digital twins, and we can conduct comprehensive training sessions virtually for schools and for training before going to the real machine. We operate the actual physical machine keyboard interface here and are currently seeing a real machine model of our machine. The nice thing is, these are all touch monitors. What this actually means is that I can also zoom in right here to get a much clearer view of all the components. I have the option to choose here if I don't want to see the outer housing, for example, which allows me to examine the intricate internal details more closely, and I can then proceed to operate the machine via the monitor and the real machine keyboard exactly as I would do in a real-world physical environment. I am starting the program right now, and then you will be able to see on the other side how the real part is also being processed in actual real time. I then see my current program running normally here, and I can also influence it in the usual way via the feed buttons. I can also bring it to a stop and let it begin running once more. Everything is one-to-one as on the real machine. I also have a comprehensive tool library included where all my tools are monitored. I can also easily insert clamping devices, various different clamping devices, and precisely configure different blanks. I can also define the tool holders individually and load them into the machine as a 3D model to really have a real simulation with collision monitoring on the machine. You have your monitor up here and the real panel below through which you operate the machine. And the special thing is really that you can also operate your virtual machine with the real hardware of the machine. And here the real machine program is running. Is also a special feature of this wall. I simulate the actual machine program here with authentic machine data. This isn't just some basic digital simulation running that gets transferred at the end, but the real program is actually running right now. The central logic kit is located right here, which manages all the communication with each other. And there's a PC in here that practically runs the whole program.